vegan essentials you need to have a healthy, happy, and delicious vegan lifestyle. There are a lot of different ways to eat as a vegan. You can be fully raw, you can be a fruitarian, high carb, low fat. You can actually just eat Oreos and still be a vegan because they're vegan as well. But the healthiest way and the easiest way to eat is simply to eat a whole foods vegan diet, meaning you're eating plenty of whole grains, legumes, fruits, vegetables, healthy seeds, nuts, and all those things. And by eating that way, you'll get all the nutrients you need. All the protein, all the healthy fats, all the fiber, nutrients like minerals and vitamins and amino acids, all of that. And also make sure that you're cooking at home for yourself most of the time so that you know what's in your food, and of course that will help you stay healthy.